Right, guys, real bad this time. So I can go like that. Okay, right. Now, this game annoys me a lot. Not because of it being that hard, because of the glitch. Well, probably just because of this computer and because I use it, and just because of my lifestyle, probably. But this, oh, we're back here somehow. Okay, okay then. Oh, this glitch is gone, like, bruv. Oops. GoPro's not charging, jeez. Anyway, go away. I've got a game to play. I'm not talking to whoever's watching this video, probably no one. But, I'm talking to, well, GoPro. Woo! Yes, already up one. Oh yes, I've got a feeling. Today, I've got a feeling for this. There's no glitch. I've got a feeling that a bat's not going to have to be used at all. Come on. Right, so for this one, I think you have to swing. Like this. Talk. Oh yes, we're here. We're here. Oh yes, guys, we're actually there. Oh yes, this makes me really happy. Oh, this makes me actually happy. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, this game. I love it.
In a certain way, sexy hiking is the perfect
Jesus.
embodiment of a mini game.
Stop it.
It's entirely out of bounded recycled parts.
I don't care.
Is that Tinder or something?
Shut up. Right, guys. I know. Right, I'll get.
In the digital world or in real life, there's certain essential properties that
Hey, Katana,
Oh, yeah.
Tinder.
Kyle, stop. Get lost. Right, sorry, guys.
constantly, unremittingly in danger of falling and losing everything.
Yeah, I know that. Jeez. Just about did it there. Alright. Oh, jeez. Can I not just... If this
If you
guy...
need to take a break, it's okay. I've saved your progress.
I don't really want him talking to me, but he saves my progress, so... Talk to me all you want, sucker. You're just the guy that saves my progress. Oh no, if this bit kills me, I'm gonna be so unhappy. Oh, I can just do this, can't I? Jump. Honey, yes. And then I could do the exact same thing here. Simple math. No, honey. Come on, honey. This game, I like it. Now, this video is called Getting Over It. Not glitching over it, I think. I hope so. Because we are not glitching over it anymore. You see? That's how I feel. My video stopped recording. If it does that again, Kyle was just there, so I don't know if you knew what was happening, but anyway, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare glitch. Do you want something to get whacked, okay? I don't think so. No, this is fine. I just don't want the glitching. The glitching is a big no, okay? No glitch. No unhappiness, okay? Get that? Okay? Ban it. Okay? Ban it 40. Make this playable on any computers. Even... But this is Windows 10. I don't get it. Okay. Right, now you gotta watch me whip. Nay. Sorry about that. Right, this game though. I was just saying about how good it was then. It did this to me. Come on, you cauldron man. All the other YouTubers have completed it. PewDiePie, Dan TDM. Come Come on, I need to as well. I mean, I'm not as big as them. They've got like millions of subscribers. I've got 20. Right, Kyle, get lost. Right, anyway.
Yes, boy.
So I'm here. It's glitching. Come on, we started off fine. What did you not like? Right. Where's my dog? Okay, here. Okay. Right, we can do this, can't we? Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, come at me. Yes, boys. Yes. Oh, this cup of latte, I can just see it. I'm definitely gonna take that all the way down. Costa coffee. Oh no. No. Where's my flipping bat? I'm sorry about that, I just had to do it. Right, anyway, we can do this, come on. No. We can do it. See, simple. Right, yeah, we can jump this, can't we? Right, come on. Boom. God damn it. I think I'm breaking this. Yes. We're actually glitch free.
Okay,
Right, guys. Right here. Jump, you damn computer game. Jump, I say. No! Right, come on. I thought I was going to the latte. Costa coffee. Oh, no, no. No, this isn't happening. Come on, Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes!
okay, boy.
Right, your guy. Swing. No, I flip. No.
Oof, sorry about that.
Where's the fucking bat? Right, I'm hitting myself now. Jeez. This game. Really? Right, we can do this. We are back at the start, I mean, but like, we can do it, can't we? We can do it if the glitch, like, stops. Right, come on. Come on. Come on. No. That's not what we want. We want good stuff, right? So I'm gonna... Jesus. Right. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna... Oh, no. I'm gonna jump. No. That's not gonna happen. Right. Jump. swing. I'm gonna get up there. Right, come on. This one's easy, come on. We're actually back to the start. I don't know why it reset though. I was at that tree before, wasn't I? Right, okay, so we're gonna go. For God's sake. Amen. Look at this. Right, ooh. I hope you enjoyed this video. And, I know I've only played this game today, but I played the app I got on my phone, because, anyway guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you didn't. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.